Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, we are going to see Matchbox craft. Materials we need are: first of all, take empty matchbox. Then take a piece of pattern paper and cut according to the matchbox shape. Then stick it over a box with the help of glue. Please watch till the end of the video. If you think this tutorial is helpful, please mention it in comment section below. Also, cover the base of tray with pattern paper, as shown in the video. Cut out the extra part of paper. Start decorating box with the help of sequins or anything as per your choice. See, I have used kundans and I sticked it with the help of glue. If you like this video, don't forget to mention in comment section below and also follow us on FB and Instagram. After that, here I am making sticker for my matchbox according to the message I am writing. You can do it as per your choice. I have drawn superhero cartoon. I have used the white paper, black pen and colorful pens to draw it, to make it look attractive. Or you can use ready-made stickers also. After completing, you cut the sticker with the edges. Here I have used a double-sided tape to stick the sticker so it will look embossing. Take some designer piece of paper to write a message according to the size of the tray. And write a message on it with the help of colorful paper. Put message and Rakhi in a box. I did this because I am doing this for Raksha Bandhan, but you can put any other thing. So that's it for today, guys. Our box is ready. I hope you like the video. See you later.